Hi, everybody. This is Lobster Magnet, or at least that's what I think I'll call myself on YouTube. I'm here with Captain Crunch. We just purchased 40 the Grand Tournament pack. I was dumb and I waited to didn't pre-order the thing where you get 50, but I hear you don't get many legendaries for that. Or something Blizzard. So me and Captain Crunch here, we have an ambition. We have a dream, right, Captain Crunch? Is that right? We want to create a pirate deck, and we want to get the Sky Captain Crag legendary pirate. So we can, because obviously I love Captain Crunch here, who's the best pirate in the world, and I just want to create a deck where I have a giant pirate that I can launch at people. So all right, let's get into this. Let's start cracking open some decks and see if we can get Captain Crag. All right, Captain? All right? Come on. Yeah, who's a good boy? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Uh-oh. All right, let's see. Let's see. We're going to get this guy, Captain. Oh, come on, Captain. We did not get the Sky Captain. Come on, Captain. I actually want you to stay on my shoulders for a change, and you can poop on them all you want. Let's see. Let's do the next one. Petite, quiet. Oh, epic! Frost Giant, yeah! Undercity Valiant, that's not terrible. And Captain Crunch pooped on me. Thank you, Captain Crunch. Let's see what we get next. We got this guy, Captain. We got Totem Golem, Freshman Vendor, and Void Crusher. Ooh, nobody really likes that card. Nothing too great, although Flame Lance will probably come in handy. Captain Crunch, come on. Stay. Ready? Ready to go, Captain? We're going to do the next one. Oh, Sky Captain Crag? Nope. Spellslinger is not bad. Holy Champion's good. Let's see what we got. Maybe it's legendary. 2 Demon Seasons, interesting. Fearsome Doomguard, that'll be fun. Let's open up the next one. Let's see, we got anything? Oh, we got an epic! We got Lock and Load. Who knows, maybe we'll find a use for that. Bolster's really good, though. We'll finally maybe make a toy deck. Oh! Let's see what we got. Nothing great. Nothing great, Captain. No Sky Captain Crag. Let's see. Captain. I need you for luck. I need you for luck to see if we're going to actually get anything good. Got a Pit Fighter. Tusco Totemic. I already have that. Ancient Watchman. Shield Knight. I'm sure I'll find some use for that. More of an arena card, though. What do we got? What do we got? Tusco Joster, not bad. It's kind of like a poor man's, the guy with the heals you, the paladin card, I can't remember its name. Another Holy Champion, Flame Juggler, and the Brave Archer, from like the movie Brave. Ooh. What do we got? Living Roots, Tusco Joster, and Raider in Muckless Champion. I wanted to love that card so much. I just love the idea of a monkey riding a hippo that gives everyone bananas. Here, Captain, you want to eat something while we're doing this? Yeah, you want it? Yeah. Oh, sweet. It's like candy. It's like parrot candy. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got here. Sky Captain Crag. Crowd favorite. That's interesting. Ooh, Shopan Rider. That's a good card. It's kind of like a Ogre Fist guy, only if you get the con. Oh, Murloc Knight. Gotta love the Murloc Knight. And the Beast Wrangler is not terrible. Oh, still no legendary, still no sign of Captain Crag. But Wild Walker, Dollar and Aspirant, Ice Rager. convert. Not too, it's a good, decent-ish card. Let's see what we got. Oh, no, Captain Crunch, pick up my nose. It's just, you know, burning me. Got a lot of demon fuses. What the hell? Another convert. One of brave archers. Let's do another one. Come on. We need luck, Captain Crunch. We need luck. You gotta give me luck to get Sky Captain Crab. Got a golden. Alcatraz's champion. Interesting. Oh, what do we got here? Confuse. Good epic. Probably what I wouldn't craft on my own. Oh, come on, Captain. Stop being so stubborn. Look, I got more bird candy for you. Yeah, isn't that tasty? Isn't that tasty? Alright, let's see what we got next. Let's hope we can get something good. Oh, former warhorse, not bad. And then it's Spell Slinger. What do we got? Shady Dealer. Alright, good for my pirate deck for Captain Crag. I get him. Oh, epic! Recruiter! That's not bad. It's just, well, god damn, what is with these wild walkers? It's like, it wants me to make a beast deck. Let's see what we got. Nothing great. Well, Polymorph is mad. That's a fun card. A lot of Silverhand reagents. Joustmaster. Ooh, Joustmaster is pretty good. Alright, so we're half. So far, the legendaries. Maybe we'll get a legendaries. On Hero. It's a decent card. Oh, that's one of the ones I want. Ooh. Yeah, 2 epics. Master of Ceremonies. So, not bad. Fell Dreadsteed. Everyone loves that. Let's see what we got next. Evil Heckler, everyone's favorite. And Mogor's champion. It's not Captain Crag, but we got the Viscamar, holy fuck. The Shaman deck that everyone wants. Oh, fuck yeah. Let's see what's next. Oh, I can't wait to play with Viscamar. Ooh, gold. Oh wow, that's a terrible card. He'll be good to disenchant. Nobody likes the Mag card. He's just waiting to get killed. Come on, Captain. Don't you want some bird candy? I need you for luck. We need to get more epics and legendaries. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. You are terrible. I give you this food, and you don't eat it. You just treat it like crap. Come on. Eat your bird candy. Eat your bird candy. Let's do the next one. Another epic. Arcane Blast. That's good. And Ball of Spiders. Oh. Nothing super great. Do Fearsome Doom Guard. There's a lot of Fearsome Doom Guards. And Mogres. What else do we got? Nothing much. We got the Warhorse Trainer, that's not terrible. I hope we get one more legendary. It'd be awesome if we get 2. Oh, epic! Sea Reaver, yeah, nobody likes that card. It's a useless card. What's next? Urgent Horse Rider. It's not terrible. Dog. Oh, that's not bad. Alright, let's see what we got. Ah! Nothing too great. Well, yeah, that's not bad. Oh, another recruiter. And King's Defender for my Warrior Taunt deck. Getting down to the wire. Only 4 more. No Captain Crags yet. Oh, come on, Captain. Don't run away from me. This is like the pivotal moment. Oh, Captain. My Captain. My Captain. Come on. You're a good boy. 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 Yeah. Ooh, it's tasty. Tasty, tasty. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Alright, so let's do the next card. Ugh, no Captain Crag. You're a good boy. More Pit Fighters, CL Champions. Let's see, maybe this one. Nope. Maybe this one. Fencing Coach, not bad. Oh no, down the last pack. Are we gonna have a miracle? Are we gonna have a miracle? We got a lot of brave archers. Oh yeah, badass brave archers. No, well we got one legendary, which wasn't really quite worth 50 bucks, but alright, let's see what our dust hole is. We're gonna, yeah, 545 dust, motherfuckers. Alright, so we weren't able to make our dream pirate deck. I can't have my dream of Captain Crunch riding into battle, you know, harassing Hearthstone people. But we got some good cards, we got a missed caller, which is pretty good, and we got some good Grand Tournament stuff. So thank you for watching this video, and hopefully maybe I'll do some more gaming stuff with Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch is a little bit more, you know, camera shy. Alright, Captain Crunch, say goodbye to the nice people on the web. Say, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. God damn it, don't bite me. It's not nice. It's not nice to bite the lips. You know that's my vulnerable spot. Yeah, you're in like one of those irritable modes. You're just like, I hate you. You look pretty next time we film it. You'll be less plucked and less stressed. Maybe. Alright. Thanks for watching the video. We didn't get Captain Crag, but we'll see. We'll get him sometime. Toodles.